Hey, what's up guys? This is Angel Morales of SoCal Warehouse, and I'm here in an industrial land site in the city of Los Angeles, California. It's around 1 acre. Let's go ahead and check it out. So when purchasing a land site, you properly want to evaluate the type of utilities the site has. As you can see here, there's heavy electricity, 400 amps, 3-phase. This place also has water in addition to gas. These are crucial to seeing what kind of business would be ran here if you were to lease it out. In addition to that, you want to make sure you find out the zoning, guys. Check with the city to see which uses are permitted in this area, and most importantly, find out if there's any potential contamination here. This will deter the value and give you a proper valuation for the property and what you should properly pay for it to get a good, fair deal. Let's continue checking it out. Last but not least, guys, you want to know where your property is located. You want to know the major freeway access points and if there's any developments going on around. As you can see here, there is a new project going on where Amazon is going to be the tenant, and they're building a new distribution center. So this is a great, detail that we want to go ahead and put into our valuation to ensure that we get the right pricing. If you guys have any questions or would like a free evaluation of your property or land site, please reach out to SoCal Warehouse, and we're so happy to help you guys. Talk to you soon.